In this video we will show how to install the Calibre Author. Please run the setup executable. This is found in the Calibre installation folder. Select OK to continue with the default language option. Calibre 11 requires the following four components to be installed. Please click Install to continue. Please click Next to proceed. If you wish to continue with the Calibre 11 installation, you will need to agree to the license terms. For this installation, we will select the first option to install the Author and Common utilities. Please click the Install button to finalize the installation process. Please click Finish to continue. We will be prompted to restart your machine. This is needed in order to finalize the Calibre installation. To check if our installation has been successful, we will log in to an existing Calibre database. As you can see, we have access to our sample database information. Thank you for watching this video.